Hello, good afternoon, Legacists. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I would like to talk to my grandparents. Yes, talking to the grandparents today about how you can put together a policy for you and include your grandchildren so that you can leave them a nice legacy upon your death. So, how exactly does this work? Well, I'm going to give you an example of one of our clients. Her name is Maya. And so Maya, she's a 63-year-old female non-smoker, and she has three children and two grandchildren. She does not have a mortgage on her house, and she has a combined income of about $50,000 per year. So Maya's concern is that she doesn't want to burden her family upon her death, and she's seeking affordable coverage to help ease those future concerns, all right? She wishes to have her funeral arrangements covered when she passes away so that her family doesn't have to bear the cost. So she's looking at putting together a life insurance policy. Maya has worked her whole life and she's looking to implement a solution that covers about $12,000 to $15,000 in death benefits. This policy came with riders that would allow her to access the death benefit early for any terminal illness or should she have to go to a nursing home. She's also decided to add a death benefit for an accidental death benefit in the event that she were to die unexpectedly in an accident, and that would double what the premium is, what the payment is, the death benefit is. So her total premium for that $12,000 death benefit and the $12,000 accidental death, which would make it $24,000, is an estimated $48.49 per month. So Maya's very excited that she's going to be able to get this policy in place, but she also wants to take this a step further. She wants to ensure that her parents have some protection in the event of an unexpected loss of one of the children. And so she's also looking at insuring her grandchildren. All right. So what we did is we looked at a policy to cover $25,000 or provide rather $25,000 in death benefit for each of her grandchildren. And like I said earlier, she has two grandchildren. So she has one grandson who's 9, and then she has a granddaughter who is 7. Each of them, when we looked up the premium amount, it's about $12.08. So for a total of $24.16, Maya is going to be able to provide an affordable death benefit for each of her grandchildren. So these policies will include guaranteed insurability rider, which means they can convert rather when they get to a certain age that policy into another type of policy, and waiver premium due to the death of the owner, which is the grandmother Maya. These riders will then give them the opportunity to increase their coverage later in life, as well as the option to waive the premium upon the death of the policy owner at no additional cost. So basically, with the children's whole life, what we're providing is a level benefit plan. You can get between $2,000 and $50,000. In this case, we're doing $25,000 each. The death benefit is tax-free until age 100. The policy pays at death to the insured if they're still living at the age of 100, and allows the child to increase coverage over up to 5 times the initial coverage amount without any evidence of insurability. And that is upon getting married, purchasing a home, insuring another child of their own, or following their 25th, 30th, 35th, or 40th birthdays. And it also waives premiums for 90 days if the owner passes away before the insured does. So with that, they can increase their coverage. If they're starting out at $25,000, they can increase that up to 5 times, right? So this here, once we put the children's whole life policies on with Maya's, that gives us a complete protection solution for both Maya and her 2 grandchildren for a total of $72.65 a month. Maya has protected her family from untimely passing and ensured her grandchildren's insurability for future years to come. So again, I'm talking to my grandparents today because I know if you're like me, you want to be able to leave your grandchildren in a good position. And by providing this insurance for Maya and for her grandchildren, she's going to feel more comfortable upon her death. So I just wanted to bring that information to you. I'm going to leave some information in the link if you want to get in contact with me to see how you may be able to get coverage for yourself and your grandchildren. You'll be able to complete a form, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. So thank you for tuning in, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.